Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your audio interface is using Core Audio and the latest drivers. This gives the lowest path to fix latency. Open Logic Pro X, go to Preferences Audio, and set the I/O buffer to 64 or 128 samples to lower round-trip delay. Once done, make sure your sample rate is sensible, 44, 1K or 48K, and disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to avoid wireless audio interruptions. These steps give immediate, measurable latency reduction before deeper changes. Next, you focus on the software side. Enable low latency mode in the transport bar so Logic ignores plugin delay compensation during monitoring. Manually bypass or remove high latency plugins like linear phase EQs and look-ahead compressors on input channels. This explains why latency persists despite low buffer settings. Once done, freeze or bounce CPU-heavy instrument tracks to free resources, and adjust process buffer range upward only if you hear clicks. Raising it trades latency for stability, so balance carefully. Finally, you verify the fix and troubleshoot remaining issues. Test direct monitoring on your interface to confirm near-zero latency and distinguish hardware from software delay. If Logic behaves strangely, reset preferences by quitting Logic, holding Control while launching, and choosing to reset audio settings. This can clear corrupted configs. Once done, update your audio interface drivers and firmware, swap USB or Thunderbolt cables and ports, and reboot. These steps solve stubborn latency. If problems persist, note the exact behavior and plugin list for targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.